Okay, this is gonna be funny. Jackson, what you gotta wait? What gotta wait on? Okay, hit the pause button. All right, there you go. I see, you ain't gonna need it. You never do. You gotta. There you go. You gotta rub on it.
It's like humans smell their food.
I don't know why you do that. And now he's going, oh, I guess it ain't good right enough to eat yet. Nope, not yet. Okay, I guess, nope, not it. Can't eat it yet.
Don't make it too long, you can't send it.
Don't
make it too long, you can't
send it. YouTube. I'm sending a link. Now, why he got to rub himself all over strange food before he eat it, I'll never know.
He got to go stale like the food before he can eat it.
Okay, now he done rubbed himself on it. Now it's officially good enough to eat. If you didn't know, must not liked it for a minute. He put it back down. Maybe he got to rub up some more, make sure it's right. He's still working it out. He gonna eat that though. He like that. He gonna get around to eating that. And it's gone.